What brand offers the best impact windows in Florida? The answer is there's not a single brand. I'm sorry. However, what's important is what brand fits your budget. What brand accomplishes a single window that fits a very large opening. It doesn't come down to which manufacturer is the best. It comes down to which manufacturer is the best for you. For instance, there's a lot of manufacturers that we don't work with because of service issues, because when there's an issue, we call them and they're not quick to respond. I've seen there's a contractor that I know of on the West Coast that had us install a product for him that we were against installing in the first place. We had an issue that was out of our hands. It was a manufacturer's issue. And we called the manufacturer to try to get them to come out and repair the issue. And their response to us was, you're on the list. Your estimated repair time is anywhere from 16 to 24 weeks. That is completely unacceptable to us. So as an example, manufacturers like those, we do not work with. We're looking for quick response times, quick solutions. In some cases, if somebody has an issue with their front door, that could be the only door or one of the only doors. Imagine us telling a homeowner, your front door is inoperable, please use your back sliding glass door. How do I lock my back sliding glass door? That's a very tough solution to have an answer to. So for that reason, we like to work with a select handful of manufacturers that can really be there to provide service to our customers, especially in times of needs when our reputation and their reputations matters most.